Me have to come back to you again. I say me get special treatment. Let me tell you something. The last time I went to a hospital in Jamaica was 26 years ago when I gave birth to my son at Victoria Jubilee. I have never been to a hospital again. I live 5 minutes from the hospital here, and it took me 4 months to go to the hospital 2 days ago. Me not do public hospital. I had proper health care, and I would go to private doctors. My family doctor in Portmore, who is my family doctor for 28 years, I did about 15 blogs talking about Dr. Reed. Me sick and Dr. Reed come on my yard come look for me. Me a police dey pass spot check and Dr. Reed tapping car wind down in glass and a call me. No dear, be careful of the sun. That is the relationship that I had with my family doctor of 28 years in Portmore, Dr. Edmund Reed. When me sick and want some counseling and want a good chat, me go a Dr. Reed go pay me money and sit down. Sometimes me not even have to buy the medication because by the time Dr. Reed done getting on my psyche, me no need no drugs. So I don't know the Jamaican doctors want to have if I must want one where they are Portmore when name DP we no nice. Kind of my opinion, not just my opinion that you know say Dipshan no nice, you know. But me go all of the doctors them at Portmore because me always have joint pain. So for you who doctor not talk to you at Jamaica and doctor no like you, Jamaican we are some of the warmest and the most caring. And when I went to the doctor 3 days ago, the first doctor that I saw, he was not pleased because he was very angry with me that me sit down at dead and live next door to the hospital and hospital is free and me not come get a checkup. The doctor said, give me one reason why you self-hate. Him say you self-hate yourself. Why? And him talk to me strongly and I accept it. But for those of you who doctor now look, you must know why. The only set of people them who don't like me are uno who are dog bull on social media. I am a professional and wherever I go, you teach people how to treat you. And wherever I go, I am well respected and I am well treated and me just get popular on social media last year. Me just popular on social media last year and me no have problem with people. Every which part me go, I am well respected and I am well treated because respect is something that you earn. So sorry for you, that's when you go to hospital, nobody no pay you no mind. You need to check yourself to see why.